let's take a look at how this bumper comes off today. Mine's kind of faded. I wanted to take it off and repaint it. It's probably easier to take it off than to mask off everything, because I've been doing that a little bit and it's kind of annoying. So, simple enough. This trim piece needs to come off. There are screws that hold the bumper to the frame here. Luckily this piece comes off real easy. There's like a little clip here. There's a little clip on the other side. These little tiny like alignment clips that clip it all together here. So gently pry on the side and hear that come off. On the other side, and the whole thing will start to come out. Be gentle. These are old. The clips are plastic, so you don't want to break them. And there you have it. Now, of course, as I say that, I broke my own clip. So that clip, there's two clips on the end, they're like this. And then there's these little tiny alignment nubs that go into these spots here. I might look into getting some replacement new nubs. That way my trim doesn't fall off randomly. It seems pretty secure anyways, but you know, I don't want to lose that. It's painted. Once you take the trim piece off, you'll see a radiator cap and all this other stuff that's back here. But most important things are this 10mm nut, 10mm nut on both sides. Giant Phillips head screw, 2 in the middle, and 1 on the bottom here on the side, and another one on the side over here. Take those off and the bumper should come off. Let's take a look. Oh, it's excellent when it just comes off. On the other side, there's little clips. Get your lights out, press down and pull. And there you have it. The bumper is off. It's nice. I'm going to take the light out, and then I could just lightly sand it down and just spray it down with some paint. Here we are. Let's put these guys back. I painted them. It's just the 3 screws you took out. Line it back up. There is a left and right. It won't fit if you put the wrong side on. Alright, next step. Take your freshly painted bumper after it's cured a little bit so it's safe to handle. Put it back up. Same way you took it off. Put your directionals back in the bumper first. They are directional. You can tell which side you have to go on each side by looking at the little text on the bottom. It says like Tokai Denso Japan, so that's how you know this side's down. If you try to put the other way, it'll be upside down at the top. Plug the lights back in. Found the 2 nuts, I didn't lose them yet. Screw it back in on each side. Put your trim piece back on. I ordered some new clips, so I'll reinstall these when I get them, but for now this should be fine. Look at that, all clicks into place anyways. Looks good. Alright, it's starting to get dark here, but you can see it's a massive improvement. My bumper's not all faded. There isn't overspray all over my little headlight rounds. Ooh, I gotta get my little caps back on. Painted my caps. They just slip back on like that. And pop. So, tilt it, slip them in, and there you go. There it is. My nose is complete. Let's get a better daytime shot here. The other video was getting dark, but look at it. The bumper's nice and black, nice and crisp, even though it's dirty. The headlight rings are not all white and nasty. And the wipers, they're black again. That's nice. So I gotta work on that. I'm not sure how to work on the windshield spray nozzles, but I'll figure it out. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for more notifications on repairs and maintenance on my little Suzuki Carry. See you next time.